Our home wireless networks are essential but vulnerable to cyber attacks. Let's discuss how to protect your Wi-Fi network from data theft. Change the default router settings to prevent hackers from guessing easy usernames and passwords. Leaving the default settings can make it easy for hackers. Log in and change them immediately. WPA3 is the most secure Wi-Fi encryption method available. Enable it to prevent unauthorized access. Older methods like WPA2 or WEP are vulnerable. If WPA3 isn't available, use WPA2 for better security. Set a strong Wi-Fi password to defend against unauthorized users. A weak password is easy for hackers to crack. Create a password mixing letters, numbers, and symbols. Avoid common personal info. Disable WPS to avoid vulnerabilities that can lead to brute force attacks. Hackers exploit WPS easily. Turn it off in your router's settings to enhance security. Set up a guest network to keep your main network secure when visitors need internet access. A guest network limits access to your personal devices. Use a different password for it. Keep your router firmware updated to close security gaps and fix bugs. Check for updates regularly and enable automatic updates if your router supports it. Monitor connected devices to identify unauthorized access and take action immediately. Log into your router and review the list of devices. Disconnect any unfamiliar ones. Use a firewall for added protection against suspicious activities on your network. Make sure your router's firewall is enabled. Consider a software firewall on your devices if needed. Avoid public Wi-Fi for sensitive transactions to reduce risk of data theft. Public networks are easier targets for hackers. Use a VPN to encrypt your connection. Disable remote management on your router unless necessary to minimize security risks. By taking these steps, you can secure your home Wi-Fi network and protect your personal data from theft.